welcome to the pre-final press conference for the Hard Women's Soccer League tournament. It's Chapungu versus Black Mambas in tomorrow's final. So we have media representatives here who want to talk to the coaches. We open up questions for the media. We have representatives from the two teams. The coaches have got Chapungu, Queen 15, Coach Sibanda, and from Black Mambas we have Coach Ian Nyoni. Any questions from the media? You are free to ask.
Thank you so much. My name is Silvester from Sly Media TV. Maybe I would want to start with Black Mambas. Coach, your views for tomorrow's cup final, the first of its kind. You are in the final. We understand and we have heard that you were one of those people who were called the underdogs. What's your view for the match tomorrow?
In the final, I'm facing my mentor. She's my mentor. So I'm hopefully tomorrow I do something better for my mentor. Thank you.
Your preparation so far, Coach, at Black Mambas, how is the morale in the camp?
See, the girls, they worked very hard. We gave it our best. I think we talked about it. We are going there for a tournament, and there so much motivation. Thanks to the organizers, thanks to the Prophet, Tamakaya, for what he has done. So we spoke about it, and and I'm surprised to say for the performance that they've shown and commitment, it's very touching. So Black Mambas girls, I hope them the best tomorrow.
Your word to the people out there, your soccer fans and everybody who loves soccer, especially supporting the girl child, what's your word to invite the supporters that must come and watch this match?
They should expect the best. They should expect the best, I'll give it my best. I think they will give it their best. So supporters, they should come in numbers and support the team representing ZRP. So we're very happy, very happy.
Do you fear Chapungu?
I respect them, not fear them. I respect even my fellow coach, I respect them very much. Thank you.
What do you think your meters are going to let you, if you're not careful? Like, which area exactly, which department exactly? Are you expecting the meter to be able to be a big threat?
Well, she's got the best quality in the league. If you check around all positions, she's got the best anyway. So we'll try our best, to utilize on their mistakes, but she's got the best quality.
Thank you so much. Yes, Coach Quinji, you are in the final. It wasn't an easy road for you. What's your view concerning the final tomorrow between Black Mambas at the Hart Stadium?
Thank you. Okay, thank you for the opportunity. First, maybe is to thank really the Prophet Walter Makaya and the Hart Group for this sponsorship, the first tournament of its kind. And I'm happy that my team is also in the final for the first inauguration of this tournament. Yeah, and then going into, as you have rightfully said, it's been a tough road for us to get through to the finals. You cannot run away from the fact that we played one the best teams in the league. So it's been a final from the first round that we played. So I'm expecting really the girls to maintain approaching the game as a final, like we had been approaching our quarterfinals, our semis that way. So I don't really buy the take that people say Mambas are an underdog. They are full of experience. And it's a very experienced side with very good players, and they wouldn't be here if they were called underdogs. So, yeah, they've got experience, and we are expecting a very tough match. Yes, in terms of us as Chapungu, the girls really, the mind is positive. Hence, I'm expecting positive, an all-round positive play from the group, be it defensive organization or attacking organization. I expect them to take it from where we started and where we left on the final game. So yeah, I'm expecting a tough game, but at the end of the day, I know anyone who approaches the finals, they are expecting to win. So we want it, we know Mambas, we want it, but at the end of the day, only one team will go out as winners. So yeah, wishing the best for both of us. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe your word to the supporters to come and support both teams tomorrow at the Hart Stadium.
Yeah, we invite the supporters really to come and spend their Sunday, whether it's with their families, with children, they are not at school, probably some of them are aspiring footballers, they can witness the best of women football in the country. So yeah, they should come in numbers, and also we promise to give them the best of the entertainment for their Sunday outing.
My last question to you, Coach. There are people maybe in the country who still feel that the game that is played by the girl child, women's soccer, is of lower standards. So what's your message to the people that may watch this interview from your own observation in terms of how soccer has been developed in Zimbabwe through women's soccer league?
There is a lot of improvement that has happened over the years as far as women football is concerned. Fine, I would say, because the men football started earlier and the women football was developed later on. But at the end of the day, we use the same training methods. We play under the same laws of the game. Coaches attend the same courses. There is no course that you will find that, okay, it's only women. This level one is for women. This one is for men. So at the end of the day, there's a lot of improvement really that is happening. And of late, we've seen a lot of entertaining games. So there's progression, really. There's progression. So people should come and enjoy the games. And like I rightfully said, they should expect the best. We are definitely going to entertain them.
Maybe, Coach, would you want maybe to ask maybe the sponsors to throw maybe another tournament at the end of the season, maybe top 8? Is it your wish?
Let me say, for now, we appreciate really what has been done. And I think going forward, it's our board really, or our representatives of women football, to sort out those issues for us. So right now, I just think we just need to be grateful what has happened for now in terms of really getting a tournament. You know, at times we just get to the end of the league without anything. I think the only last tournament that we played was for LM Auctioneers. That was some years back, and ever since then there's been nothing. So we appreciate the efforts that have been done now, and we'll still welcome a lot that will come again. Yeah.
More questions from the media. Are we happy? Teacher student battle. Will Chapungu fly past against the police outfit, or will the Mambas strike hard? All the questions tune in to Sly TV tomorrow, 3:30 p.m. Thank you so much, coaches. May the best team win.
Thank you.
All the best from Lam.
Sharp.
I will.
Sharp.